Connect to your camera from the Camera tab and tap LUT Transfer. Connect to Wi-Fi. The camera's LUT library will be displayed. Select a LUT from your smartphone's library to transfer. Tap Transfer to Camera. Choose where you'd like to place it in the list, and tap LUT Transfer. The transfer to the camera's LUT library is complete. You can easily capture photos and videos with the LUT you transferred to the camera by accessing the LUT button on the back of the camera, Real-Time LUT.